How do you know if your iPhone is linked to another device? Let me explain that and show you how you can figure it out. If you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe for more tips and videos like this. So it kind of depends in which sense it should be linked, because for example, you have some things like the family sharing, in which case you can find it inside of the settings when you go to the family, and in there you can see all of the accounts, but you are technically linked to them, but it's not like you can see everything about them. For example, you can see the location sharing with that person and you can set it up, or you can share your subscriptions or purchases with them, but that is as far as it really goes inside of the family sharing. When you mean it's linked in terms of the location, it's most likely going to be part of the Find My app, where at the bottom you can not only see the devices, items, or your location, but also people. So if you are sharing location with others and you are linked to another like iPhones, then you are going to be able to see it right here, and you can stop sharing the location if you don't wish to continue. And one more thing, or one more way that the iPhone could be linked to another iPhone is by using the very same Apple account on both devices. So when you tap on your settings and click on Apple account at the top, you can see which devices in here are using the same Apple account. So in my case, I might have multiple of them. So it's possible for you to see specifically and exactly if there is like another phone, perhaps used by someone else, that also has the very same Apple account in here, and you can click on it and remove it from this account, and that is how you can stop and like close the connection between those devices. So as I said, it depends on what specifically you are wondering about, but I was hopefully able to help you with it. Let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up if it helped you out, and I'll see you in the upcoming tutorials too.